Hey guys, it's MrWaheedulHaque here back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing and reviewing of the Adidas Originals Pharrell Williams Hugh Hiking Trefoil t-shirt or whatever you want to call it. And yeah, let's go ahead and do this. 1 second guys. Hi guys, so this is the packet itself. I've already opened this before just to check it actually fit me before I did a review. So yeah. So that's my botched up attempt of repackaging it. I don't know how to. I can't really fold properly unless it's pants. I can fold pants. That's easy. Okay. So that's the t-shirt, and then you have this packaging. Not really needed. Because it is a t-shirt, it's not going to get damaged, is it, or anything while it's in transit. So this is the top itself. Wow, look at that. Bam! Look at that. That might be my thumbnail, guys. Look at that. It's pink Adidas, so it's a black top and pink at the thingy. So Pharrell Williams, this is for you. And you got the Adidas sign here. I'll show you that. Come on, come on, and the fucking bastard. There you go. Oh my god. Okay, there you go. So the Adidas Pharrell Williams. I don't know what the fuck going on here, but looks nice. Pharrell Williams Adidas logo, which is different color, multicolor, very nice. And you got, whoa, look at the stitching inside. Damn, even that's nice. And then what the fuck's going on here, guys? Okay, so you got the sizes there. Made in Indonesia. Adidas Pharrell Williams. Oh, you got 3 stripes on there as well. Pretty cool. Brand with 3 stripes. And yeah, this was about 18. Well, it's 18 quid now, but before the sale it was about 40 quid. So that's pretty good. And yeah, so that's another Adidas sign, and then Pharrell Williams on the back. That's his logo, I think. That weird yellow thing. That's his logo. I don't know. I really have no idea. So that's the front of it. I'll show you the front. Look at the front, guys. Let me just uncrease that for you. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at the rest. Okay, so that's the front. Adidas logo, and then bam. Look at the back. This is the back of it, which is a bit weird. I've never seen that before, but it looks alright. So it says HUH King, Ho High King, Clouds Moon, Soleil Walk. So I'm gonna put this on now and show you what it looks like on me. Hopefully you'll be able to see me properly. The last video you pretty much could see me, but I had to rearrange the camera just a tiny bit. Now guys, I'm wearing the top now. I'll turn around. I'll turn the camera around. Get to my secret filming location, guys. Look at that. Oh my god. It's pretty much just my kitchen, but yeah, hopefully I'll fit in. I might have to pause the video and find out if I do fit in, so it's not a waste of a video. So this is the top itself. I don't know how much is fitting in right now, so I'll just turn around and stuff, and then I'm gonna pause it and rearrange the camera if I need to, like I did in my other video. I'm gonna go back into the shot. Okay, so you got the Adidas sign here. I still don't know what you can see. Yeah, you got the Adidas sign here with this pink and massive logo, and black is pretty much black, and this is the small size. It's perfect fit actually, not gonna lie. It's a bit long, but yeah, that's how this style is now. And you got the Adidas stuff there, and this is what it looks like on the back. And this shirt's alright, but it's quite comfy as well, you know. These tags are really fucking my back up, scratching me and shit. But yeah, I've got no muscles, as you can see. Actually, no, I don't have muscles. Sorry about that, guys. I will soon. Hopefully, I'll have some muscles. But yeah, I had muscles last year, but I stopped going gym and stuff, so I lost it. Look at the muscles. Look at them. They don't exist. I've got a bit. I don't know. It's just because of work and stuff, so I have just a bit. If you can see. So yeah. I'm going to work on that as well, don't worry. That's my New Year's resolution. That and learning how to tie my shoelace. You can learn the story behind that in my Adidas unboxing of the Sesame Seed one or something like that. It's called Sesame Seed XPL or something like that. So go learn that as well. So yeah. Tell me what you think about this top. Oh shit, you can't even see it. Let me put it in camera. thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'll see you guys next time. Tell me if you want me to do more clothes unboxings. I'm going to do more effort into making them properly. I need a camera which has a flip screen so I can actually see what's on the screen, and it won't be this lame how it is now. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.